Is Kirkland synthetic oil actually better than Pennzoil? Costco's private labeling often matches or exceeds the quality of national brands across many categories. Both are full synthetic motor oils, engineered through a process that strips out impurities to protect your engine far better than conventional oil. Pennzoil Platinum uses Pure Plus technology, starting with natural gas rather than crude oil. This results in a cleaner product with far fewer impurities. Kirkland Signature is manufactured by Warren Distribution. It meets all required API and ILSAC certifications, passing the same standardized tests as name-brand oils. The real difference is the additive package, the anti-wear agents and detergents that keep your engine clean and fight thermal breakdown under extreme stress. Every motor oil is a blend of base oil and a carefully engineered mix of chemical additives. These additives include anti-wear agents, detergents, friction reducers, viscosity stabilizers, and antioxidants. The base oil handles the fundamental job of lubricating metal parts, while the additives handle everything else. They keep the inside of your engine clean over time. They fight thermal breakdown when the engine gets hot. They reduce metal-to-metal wear during cold starts before the oil has fully circulated. They help the oil maintain the right thickness across a range of temperatures from a cold January morning to a July afternoon on the highway. Pennzoil publishes detailed claims about their additive package, and independent oil analysis laboratories have confirmed those claims through real-world testing. Regular people and experienced mechanics send in used oil samples to these labs and get back detailed data on what the oil did inside their engine. The numbers that matter most are called wear metals. These are microscopic particles of metal that come off your engine components as the oil circulates and does its job. Lower wear metal counts after a given number of miles mean the oil protected the engine better. Pennzoil consistently shows lower wear metal numbers compared to many competing brands, including budget synthetics, in these independent analyses. Kirkland Synthetic also shows solid results when tested this way. The wear numbers are not dramatically worse than Pennzoil in most cases. The oil works. It protects the engine. But in tests that push past 8,000 or 10,000 miles of use, Pennzoil tends to hold its protective properties more consistently, especially in the categories of oxidation resistance and engine cleanliness. Oxidation is what happens when oil molecules break down from exposure to heat and oxygen over time. Once an oil oxidizes heavily, it thickens, it loses its protective properties, and it starts leaving varnish and sludge deposits on your engine components. Those deposits build up slowly and quietly. You do not notice them until your engine starts sounding different or showing unusual wear. So how does that connect to what people actually pay at the register? If you are changing your oil every 5,000 miles without exception, the real-world performance gap between these two oils is going to be smaller. But when you start pushing drain intervals out to 10,000, 12,000, or even 15,000 miles, the additive stability of the oil becomes much more important. Pennzoil holds up better at longer intervals according to multiple independent data sources. Kirkland begins to show more signs of additive depletion. A 5-quart jug of Kirkland Synthetic at Costco runs roughly $25 to $30. A comparable quantity of Pennzoil Platinum runs $40 to $55. On the surface, Kirkland saves you money. But if Pennzoil carries you 12,000 miles and Kirkland degrades past 8,000, you are changing oil more often. Over 60,000 miles, you might do 5 oil changes with Pennzoil and 8 with Kirkland. The cost per mile gap shrinks considerably. Add in the cost of filters, your time, and the wear on drain plug threads, and the picture shifts further. What about engines that have specific oil requirements? This is where the stakes get serious for a specific group of drivers. Volkswagen, Audi, Mercedes-Benz, and BMW all publish their own internal oil ratings that oils must specifically earn and carry. These are not suggestions. They are engineering requirements built around how those engines are designed and how they manage heat. Pennzoil offers dedicated formulas designed for European vehicles that carry specific manufacturer certifications. Kirkland Synthetic does not. Kirkland meets standard American Petroleum Institute ratings and does a solid job, but it lacks the specific European approvals certain engines require. If you drive a newer turbocharged vehicle or a German import that lists a specific manufacturer oil rating, Pennzoil is the more appropriate product. Using non-compliant oil can affect engine protection over time and may void your warranty if damage is traced back to its use. For American trucks and standard Japanese or Korean vehicles, Kirkland is a legitimate option that protects properly when changed on time. What are people actually saying? There are 5 camps of opinion in forums and garages. Each sounds convincing, but each leaves something out. The first camp says Kirkland is basically the same as big-name brands. While Warren Distribution produces both, the additive packages are actually different. The second camp calls Pennzoil overpriced marketing, ignoring the performance data and the unique chemistry of their natural gas-based oil process. The third camp says to stop overthinking and just use what the manual specifies. This is actually the most reasonable advice for most drivers. The fourth camp, the long-haul crowd, relies on survivorship bias. You don't hear from the guys who had sludge buildup or needed valve jobs. Finally, used oil analysis hobbyists show that premium synthetics, like Pennzoil, outperform budget options in sustained protection at longer drain intervals. These people have no financial stake in either product. They are just running the numbers. So how should someone think through this decision for their own situation? If you drive a standard American pickup truck or a domestic sedan, or a Japanese vehicle with no special oil requirements, and you change your oil consistently before 8,000 miles on Kirkland Synthetic from Costco, it is a legitimate money-saving choice that will protect your engine properly. The savings are real. The protection is real. If you drive a turbocharged engine, a European vehicle with specific certification requirements, or plan to run extended drain intervals past 10,000 miles, Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic is the more appropriate product. The cleaner base oil and stronger additive stability make it worth the price difference. If your vehicle has above 150,000 miles on it and has some age-related wear, you may benefit more from a high-mileage formula. Both brands make high-mileage variants with seal conditioners that help aging gaskets maintain their shape. At high mileage, that feature may matter more. 3 things worth remembering. First, Kirkland Signature Full Synthetic is a legitimate, well-made oil that meets real industry standards for most standard engines. Second, Pennzoil Platinum has a documented advantage in base oil purity and specific European certifications that Kirkland does not carry. Third, the cheapest long-term strategy is the one that matches your actual engine requirements and fits your real drain interval habits. Keep your engine clean enough to avoid internal damage that costs thousands to repair. Watch for one thing above everything else. If your engine begins making a ticking noise at startup, starts using more oil, or triggers a warning light, do not ignore those signs. That is your engine signaling that something is off. A used oil analysis will tell you more than any opinion in an online forum.